At Collins Aerospace, we're committed to keeping our customers connected. And with our latest IRT NX SATCOM system, we're doing just that. IRT NX SATCOM takes advantage of the new Iridium satellite network, providing worldwide pole-to-pole coverage, including exceptional reliability and higher data speeds, up to 704 kilobits per second. Using a smaller, lighter weight antenna, the system allows almost any aircraft type to take advantage of high-speed connectivity. Faster connection to global safety services ensures preferred aircraft routing and communications. IRT NX SATCOM provides a secure, reliable data link to and from the cockpit to open up real-time communications with ground operations. Our IRT NX SATCOM's high-speed connectivity allows pilots and passengers to stay in touch no matter where they fly. As a leading SATCOM service provider, we're raising the bar on safe, reliable, high-speed connectivity. Stay connected with Collins Aerospace IRT NX SATCOM system.